Dead end to the Lockheed gate, you take the left instead of going into Lockheed.
You can't go in Lockheed because them posts.
They won't let you. This is really good. Is it good? Yeah.
This was an awesome event.
Oh, I had so much fun. You can tell. Terrible to me. Wonderful of the speaker.
Oh yeah, this was an awesome event.
Sure, I bet. Oh, yeah.
Wilson's got a road named after him, but now I got a Union Made golf tournament named after me. Tell you, Charlie Wilson's got a road named after him.
Right.
But he was great.
Right.
Good morning. How are you, sir?
Nice to meet you. Well, I'll have some of that too.
It's a block walk. You have to have donuts.
Oh.
Sugar. Exactly.
Hey, I was fancy meeting you here.
I know it. Amazing.
That you admit that.
I enjoyed my pancakes.
And
They were good.
Larry Moore.
Hello there. How are you? Nice to see you. Good.
We clean up here?
Yeah. Oh, you talked to her. Sorry.
You're fine.
A little warm up.
How's she feeling? Right. Well, August is going to be Chris and Danny for me.
Because we're going to need about 3.5 million to 3.7 million to win this time around. The Republicans got 3.9 million. They beat us by 1 million votes in 2004. We don't own any statewide elected office. We need to own at least one. I want that one to be my office that I'm running
From the Democratic Women's Club.
Thank you very much. That created their PAC just for this election cycle.
Woo!
Very much. Thanks. Oh, open it.
Yeah, you got to open it.
I feel like the birthday girl.
You should.
There you go.
The Tarrant County Democratic Women's Club is pleased to enclose our check for $1,000. We wish you the best in your campaign efforts for election as Judge, Criminal District Court Number 2, and look forward to supporting you in the future.
Awesome. There we go.
Thank you, ladies.
Thank
All
you.
the Democratic Women's Club that's here.
Yay.
Earlier, we also should thank all of our candidates that are in the room.
That's right.
Lena, our statewide candidate for Criminal District. Hank Pope is here, running for sheriff. Randy Connor is here, running for the Civil District Court, countywide race. Thank you for coming. And thank you, Brenda Breimer and Terry Moore. Back Sharon Gabert that cleaned out the decoration department in at least 2 stores. This morning. T.C. Gillespie's here, the head of the Central Labor Council, and our friends. Thank you very much.
Thank you.